Hey guys, I'm trying to change the rear brake pads on this Volkswagen, and because car has electronic parking brake, I need to release the parking brake before removing the brake pads. So obviously I have to do that with the scan tool. So first of all, you guys need to release the parking brake from the parking brake switch just right over there, and then when you select the car, in the system selection, you have parking brake just right here. And if you go for the basic setting, you have the basic setting here. Okay, you have three items. So the first one is close rear parking brake. This is for after changing brake pads, because you can do this one to bring the actuator back in the position. But this one is for opening rear brake pads, and this one should be done before changing brake pads. So for changing the brake pads, I just select the other one, this one, and my parking brake is already released. I select this item and I go for OK, and see, listen what you guys gonna hear. So if you guys heard the sound, the actuator operated and is already released. So you can push the piston back, change the brake pads right now, and after changing the brake pad, when you put the new brake pads in, you need to go to the other option, which is here, number 6. I select number 6, close rear parking brake, and again I go for OK. The actuator is operating to come back in the position to grab the brake pads. This is the procedure. You guys can do it easily with the scan tool.